What's up, Bubbler Bros? This is Phoenix from Deadly Drinking Water Reviews. Today we are at again, Bracken Ridge Lions Railway. This is part 2 of our Deadly Bubbler review. And we are going to now review the 2 other bubblers. This is going to be our first bubbler right here. And let's get right into the review. So, this right here is what looks like to be a very sturdy piece of a bubbler. We got the plumbing system right down here. We got a solid wooden frame, looks fairly new. Location / convenience. So what we have is we're at Bracken Ridge. Location / convenience. So again, we're at Bracken Ridge Lions Railway. The trail is right here. We got ourselves a fine piece of shade right here, right on top of us. So you can just get up, simply get a drink. This is a solid 8.5 out of 10. So now we're going to move on to cleanliness. So cleanliness, we have a bit of moldy stuff on the side. It doesn't seem very well maintained, although it does seem very new. So that gives it a little bit of points. I'd give it a 4 out of 10. So now we're going to move on to pressure. So let's check it out. Urination animation, 7 out of 10. And now we're going to move on to temperature. (25 degrees). (6.5 out of 10. And now we're gonna finally move on to the part that everybody waits for: taste. Chemical aftertaste, bit of metal. 6.5 out of 10. So we have moved on to our second bubbler. This is the exact same build as last time. Tap with a handle, pretty low. Can we get a close in on that moth? He's off already. Tap with a handle, pretty luxurious. It looks fairly new. Let's go into location / convenience. So right behind us, there's a kid bowling right now, and that means that there is a basketball court right behind us. And this is pretty good because right after your game, you know what I mean, you're gonna be thirsty, you know, you're gonna immediately want a nice drink of water. 8.5 out of 10, 9 out of 10. Now we're gonna do cleanliness. So what we got, again, like before, a little bit of mold, a little bit of stuffy stuff, you know. Not very well maintained. There's a wasp nest inside of the bubbler. This is a very rare occasion. This is something that I've never seen before in my career of reviewing water. This is extremely weird. 3.5 out of 10. Now pressure. We're going to move on to pressure. Urination animation. That's a solid 7.5 out of 10. Temperature. A rare 22 degrees Celsius. It's got to be, for me, an 8 out of 10. For the part that we've all been waiting for, we're going to do taste. chemical aftertaste, no taste of metal, clear taste, chemical aftertaste, "5 out of 10. So this bubbler right here was an overall 6.6 out of 10. The bubbler over there that we also reviewed, that was a 6.5 out of 10. Now, this has been part 2 of Bracken Ridge Lions Railway. Now, this has been Phoenix from Deadly Drinking Water Reviews. Make sure you like and subscribe, or else I'm burying you under that tree. Make sure to leave a comment suggesting any other bubblers. We'll see you next time.